Hey there. Are you drowning in the endless tide of social media posts, schedules, and analytics? Well, I've got a little lifesaver for you, RobinReach. Stick around because at the end I've got a special discount link just for you. So, what is RobinReach? RobinReach is an AI-powered social media management tool that promises to make your life a whole lot easier. Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps, manages all your posts, generates content, and even provides you with detailed analytics. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's RobinReach for you. Now let's dive into the features. First off, AI content generation. This beauty can whip up engaging text, images, and videos across various platforms. You can say goodbye to the content creation headache, and it doesn't stop there. You can also schedule your posts. No more late-night alarms to post that crucial tweet. Another gem is its multi-platform integration. We're talking Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and even X, formerly known as Twitter. One dashboard to rule them all. And if you love data, their analytics feature will be your best mate. It breaks down your social media performance with laser-sharp precision. But let's be real, no tool is perfect. Some users have reported minor bugs and occasional slowness. However, RobinReach is constantly updating and improving, so most issues get ironed out pretty quickly. All right, let's talk pricing. RobinReach offers a variety of plans to fit different needs. They even have a lifetime deal on AppSumo. For a one-time payment, you get unlimited access forever. That's a steal compared to monthly subscriptions for other tools. And here's the kicker. I've got a special offer just for you. Click the link in the description below to grab a discount on RobinReach. To wrap things up, if you're looking for an AI-powered sidekick to simplify your social media management, RobinReach is worth a try. It's like having a superhero in your back pocket. That's it for today. Don't forget to click the link below for your special offer. Like and subscribe for more reviews, and let me know in the comments what tools you'd like me to review next. Cheers.